You guys liked my Kendall video, so today we're doing Bella Hadid. We're doing her jet lag beauty survival guide. She put concealer here, here. I grabbed the wrong color, it's fine. She did use a little bit of foundation, which I like. Thanks, girl. How did she not get makeup like all over her white towel like I am? I'm getting it everywhere. Now Bella used a contour stick, which I thought the bronzer in this palette was a cream bronzer, but it's not. So we're just gonna work with it anyway, because this is what I've got. Belle's wants a chiseled look. So do I. I don't know if she did this, but I'm gonna put a little under my lip so it looks a little poutier and down the sides of my nose. On the highlighter, we're going in with Becca's Opal. Next up is brows. I love that all of these models use brow pencils because I swear these tiny babies are like the best. Oh no, I'm running so low. I need a new one. Oh. Okay, Belle's uses lash primer. I don't have that, so in exchange for lash primer, I'm just gonna curl my lashes really quickly. Should I be using a lash primer? You guys, do you use lash primer? Honestly, I didn't know that was a thing. It doesn't look like she puts mascara on her bottom lashes, so I'm just going to skip that step. But then she puts gold eyeshadow on after her mascara. I need to let this dry, and because I don't own a gold eyeshadow, I will actually be going in with some sort of gold highlight. So then Bella goes in for some lip gloss, but because her lips are super tinted, I'm gonna go in with a little tint first before I do a clear gloss. She's one of those lucky girls that has the naturally beautiful, plump lips that don't look like they're disappearing into their face. I have no coloration on my lips. Now, because I'm just wearing a lip gloss today, I wanted to do a plumping one just to give my lips a little... We're gonna lift you up because we're doing the hair. She just took her hair like this. I have baby hairs. Bella, I have baby hairs. We're gonna brush this back. She had like a smooth bun. She was able to just like wrap her hair around itself. Can mine do that? No. Got a hair tie. Don't worry. Boom! Bella! Oh, for some reason the final clip just deleted itself. So this was the final look. I really, really loved it. I love the way Bella's look feels very fresh and clean, and I just felt really light and pretty. This is something that I could genuinely wear every day, running errands, or anything like that. Let me know in the comments below if you would like to see more videos like this, and other than that, I will see you in the next video. Bye, you guys.